Welcome back to Vintage American Cars. Today, we're diving into another exciting list of 10 incredible classic cars for sale. From legendary Mustangs to elegant Cadillacs, these timeless machines are ready to steal the spotlight. Let's take a closer look.
1. Classic 1967 Ford Mustang, $29,500, Saddlebrook. We begin with one of the most recognizable classics of all time, the 1967 Ford Mustang. Painted in a striking green finish, this Mustang carries the soul of the American pony car era. Under the hood sits a 289 automatic engine paired with factory cold air, power steering, and power brakes, making it both stylish and easy to handle. The seller highlights that it runs and drives great, with an interior that has been kept in excellent shape. Even though the odometer has rolled over, this doesn't take away from the charm. This Mustang is more than just a car. It's a piece of American history, a symbol of freedom and open roads. Whether you're taking it to a weekend cruise night or simply admiring it in your garage, it's a classic that never goes out of style.
Number 2. 1968 Pontiac GTO Rotisserie Restored, $67,500. Next up is a legend among muscle cars, the 1968 Pontiac GTO. Known as the Judge in its glory days, the GTO helped define the muscle car movement. This example has been given the royal treatment with a full rotisserie restoration, meaning every nut and bolt has been carefully restored. It's a one-owner car powered by a matching numbers 400 automatic engine, ensuring both authenticity and value. The seller notes that it runs and drives perfectly, just as it would have straight from the factory. At $67,500, it's not just a car, it's a museum-quality piece that still has plenty of life left on the road. For collectors, this is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come often.
Number 3. 1966 Chevelle Convertible. Coming in at number 3, we have the stylish and sporty 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible. Equipped with a 327 engine and automatic transmission, this classic also features power steering and power drum brakes, giving you confidence whether you're on a short drive or a long cruise. This Chevelle has recently had its engine and transmission rebuilt, ensuring that it's mechanically sound and ready to hit the open road. The car still retains its original rust-free floors and a base clear coat paint job that highlights its curves beautifully. Though it's been in storage for a little while and may need a quick check before long trips, this convertible is the kind of ride that makes summer evenings unforgettable.
4. 1966 Ford Thunderbird, $22,000, Boyd. The 1966 Ford Thunderbird was a luxury car ahead of its time, and this example shows why. Powered by a strong Q-Code 428 V8, it comes with factory-working air conditioning, making it comfortable even in the summer heat. The Wimbledon white exterior is perfectly paired with an ember glow interior, creating a combination that screams mid-60s elegance. Some of its standout features include sequential rear turn signals, a sliding steering column, and a reclining passenger seat with a movable headrest. The seller has already done some key maintenance, including rebuilding the carburetor, adding newer mufflers, and replacing valve cover gaskets. At $22,000, this Thunderbird offers you luxury, power, and style in one timeless package.
5. A 1963 Mercury Monterey S55 convertible, $24,900, NE Metro. At number 5, we've got the sleek and rare 1963 Mercury Monterey S55 convertible. This California car has lived most of its life free from rust, and it still wears its original factory black-on-black colors. Under the hood, it carries a 390 cubic inch V8 producing 300 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission. The interior is loaded with features you wouldn't expect in the early 60s. Power bucket seats, power windows, and even the original FM radio still works. This Monterey is ready to be driven anywhere, and the seller is even including a re-chromed rear bumper along with totes of spare parts collected through the years. For under $25,000, you're looking at a convertible that blends rarity, style, and reliability.
Number 6. 1966 Chevrolet C10, $34,500, Pembroke. Trucks have always had a special place in American car culture, and the 1966 Chevrolet C10 short bed is a shining example. This one features a 305 engine with a 700 R4 transmission, making it both durable and easy to enjoy on the road. The seller describes it as being in excellent condition, ready to be driven anywhere without worry. Its green paint gives it a fresh and lively appearance, while the short bed design makes it a favorite among collectors. More than just a truck, this C10 is a piece of working-class history that has evolved into a sought-after classic.
7. 1961 Ford Fairlane two-door custom, $39,000, Kerrville. Now here's something you don't see every day. A 1961 Ford Fairlane business coupe that's been professionally rebuilt with a modern twist. This unique build has been combined with the chassis and drivetrain of a 2006 Police Interceptor, giving it modern reliability and performance under a classic body. All the chrome, glass, and weather stripping have been replaced or refinished, while the interior has been fully upgraded with new bucket seats and a clean finish. With around 20 miles per gallon, this Fairlane is more than just a show car. It's a daily driver that blends the best of both worlds. At $39,000, it's the definition of classic looks with modern muscle. 8. 1964 Chevrolet Impala, $35,500, Bedford. The 1964 Chevrolet Impala holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and car enthusiasts alike. Known for its style and presence, this Impala still carries its original sheet metal and interior, giving it an authentic look and feel. Powered by a 283 engine with a rebuilt Powerglide transmission, it's logged around 122,000 miles, but remains in strong driving condition. The seller has invested in important upgrades, including new brakes, exhaust, water pump, tires, and shocks. It's been described as a true buy-and-drive car, ready for the road the moment you take it home.
9. 1956 Ford Thunderbird, $28,000, West Virginia. Few cars capture the 1950s Americana like the 1956 Ford Thunderbird. With its sleek design and sporty spirit, this car remains a symbol of the era. This particular model is powered by a 390 cubic inch engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive, offering both power and control. With 89,000 miles, it comes with both hard and soft tops, giving you versatility depending on the season. The body is flawless and just waiting for fresh paint, making it the perfect project for a collector who wants to put a personal touch on a classic. At $28,000, it's a rare opportunity to own an icon from the golden age of American cars.
Number 10. 1964 Cadillac DeVille convertible, $39,000, Riverside, California. We end today's list with pure elegance, the 1964 Cadillac DeVille convertible. With only 54,000 original miles, this V8-powered luxury cruiser runs and drives beautifully. The car is fully loaded with power brakes, power steering, power windows, and even factory air conditioning, luxury features that were ahead of their time. Aside from a repaint, the car remains all original, and having lived its life in California, it's completely rust-free. Always garage kept, its body and convertible top are both in excellent condition. At $39,000, this Cadillac is a stunning reminder of the golden era of American luxury cars.
And that wraps up our list of 10 classic cars currently for sale. Each one tells its own story of style, power, and timeless American design. Which of these beauties would you want in your garage? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more from Vintage American Cars.